And I said, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. I said, hey, yeah, what's going on?
Tim, you're alive. Everyone's watching you. Everyone.
I'm live? Oh.
What an idiot. Oh, what a loser.
Today I want to have a frank discussion about how to stay positive amidst the challenges and struggles of daily life. So sit back because we're starting right now. Hey everyone, what is up? This is Tim of the People's Bookkeeper, where we always hit the mark. Make your mark in business too and share it on YouTube. Do that by subscribing now and turning on the bell notification. So if you take a look at the world around you right now, it's very easy to become discouraged, and quite honestly, it makes you just want to kind of give up on everything. Yes, there are lots of bad things happening in the world, but if we put all our focus on those things, it's going to really take away from our opportunity to live in the now. It isn't going to lead you down a good path, and take it from somebody who has been in those dark places and really struggled. And not only have I been there and struggled, but I don't want to go back to that either. I really want to help you get your mindset on staying focused and positive. So if you've been stuck in a rut for a long time and you find yourself feeling really down about everything going on in your life, or you're feeling discouraged or depressed or just feeling generally run down, then I want you to know that I've been there too, and the struggle is real. I'm with you 100%, and I know how challenging that can be. And no, it doesn't help when people tell you to just snap out of it or use some other kind of cliche saying as if it's supposed to just magically make things better for you. A lot of times those people just don't understand what it is you're going through. So I want to let you know that from my own experience, developing a new mindset is really something that's vitally important to helping you get out of that rut you're in. It's a key to giving yourself the opportunity to grow, and it's going to help you come out of that dark place that you feel stuck in right now. Other people are going to try to make you feel a certain way. They're going to try and make fun of you. They're going to try and make light of the fact of what you're going through.
Everybody love everybody.
They might be unkind, they might talk behind your back, but you know what? Let them. Stop worrying about other people and what they're saying about you or what they're thinking about you. You need to focus on your own health and finding the things that bring you joy in life. Now, if making videos and content is something that brings you joy, then do that. If exercising brings you peace and happiness, then do that. If singing a ridiculous song makes you happy, then do that and don't worry if people are watching. If you like to pray and spend time with God like myself, then commit to that. If you enjoy cooking or painting or any other hobby or activity, then commit to those things as well. The key is to find things that make you happy, that bring you joy, and commit to doing those things so that you can really climb out of that rut you're in. And I guarantee you at that point, it's not going to be long before you start to see some amazing and positive results in your life. Remember that a new mindset is going to get you new results. If you haven't been getting the results that you want or that you hope for, then start seeking out new opportunities. Learn something new, learn a new craft, a new hobby, or spend time with new friends who are sympathetic and understanding about what it is you're going through. Listen, you don't have to feel alone. There are millions and millions of other people going through similar things as yourself. And it's not the same now as when I was a kid. When I was a kid, hardly anybody talked about these things. Now there are so many ways to get help and lots of people willing to listen and help you. I think this is a really important topic to cover on this channel because ultimately my channel is designed around wanting to help other people. And that's not just with channel growth and growing your YouTube business, but it's with personal growth. There are lots of awesome resources that you can utilize to really help you stay positive and focused in life. And when you find yourself in that positive mind frame, you're going to unlock abilities and opportunities that you never knew existed. This topic can also be literally applied to any area of your life. You can apply it to your lifestyle, your interactions with others, or you can apply it to your hobbies and your activities. There is not an area in your life that won't be impacted positively by having that positive mental approach. Again, I've been there myself, and I've lost lots of friends over the years because of my negativity, my bad thinking, my poor habits, and just generally keeping myself in a negative state of mind. And the thing is, I was there for many, many years. But now I focus on the positive things in my life, and I have so much to be thankful for and grateful for. I have an amazing wife and an amazing 3-year-old, and I have new hobbies, and I have my YouTube channel, which I absolutely love. I have some great friendships I've made with other YouTubers, and I have so much more than that as well. I feel so beyond blessed, and I just want to share that with you today because I have such an awesome and uplifting and positive audience, you. And you all matter to me, and you matter to others. So please drop a comment below and leave me feedback on your own experience with depression or any other struggles that you've had with staying positive. This community is amazing, and we need to pull together, support each other, and help uplift each other so that we can all experience something awesome, positive, and joyful together. Now, if you want to make your mark on YouTube, then check out these videos over here. They'll help you grow your channel. And if you're new to this channel, then please consider subscribing. Click my face, and you'll do just that. I'll see you in the next video.